How to transfer money on Bank of America. Let's get started. Transferring money on Bank of America can be done through a few different methods, including using the mobile app, the online banking, or Jelly for fast transfers. In this video, I will be showing you guys how to transfer money using Bank of America mobile app. First, launch your Play Store or App Store, search for the app Bank of America and then install it. Then create your account. Once you create your account, you will be directed to the home page. Tap on the Transfer tab from bottom menu. If you want to transfer money between your own accounts, from checking to savings, select Transfer between accounts. Choose the account you want to transfer from and the account you want to transfer to. Enter the amount you want to transfer and select the transfer date. Review your transfer details to ensure everything is correct. Tap Confirm to complete the transfer. This way you will be able to transfer money on Bank of America. This was really simple and quick process. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.